محبوب قمر الدين دبيازة، خالد كشميري، خضر كرويته، إسماعيل أحمد كنباوي، عثمان عبد الجليل ششة، محمد سنبل.
Hi everyone, today we would like to talking about the something important for both homeowners and the planet. Recovering and recycling refrigerant in residential air conditioning system. So here with me is Brandon. Welcome Brandon.
Okay, hi. Thanks for having me. And I'm here to share some tips and insights.
So let's start with the basic. Why the refrigerant are so important?
Okay, in a residential air conditioning system, caused by compressing refrigerants in the outdoor unit and releasing heat through the condenser coil in the refrigerants absorb heat via the evaporator coil. Cooling air circulated by the blower fan through the home, and refrigerants is the other key to cool your home. Without them, air conditioners can't work. But if they are not handled properly, they can be harmful. Some refrigerants damage the ozone layer, while others are potent greenhouse gases that trap the heat and contribute to the climate change.
Oh wow, that sounds serious. So, how can refrigerant escape and cause the damage?
Okay, it usually happens during repairs or maintenance, or when the OSC system is being replaced or thrown out. If the refrigerant isn't recovered, it leaks into the air. Even small amounts of refrigerants can cause a big impact, especially with old refrigerants like R22, which is both ozone depleting and strong greenhouse gases.
So, what does this mean to recover and recycle the refrigerants?
Okay, recover refrigerants means safely removing them from the system using special equipment. Before doing repairs or disposing of the units, recycle take a step further, or after recovery, the refrigerant is cleaned and processed so it can be reused instead of producing more. Both steps prevent leaks and reduce waste.
So that makes sense. Are there regulations about this?
Yes, in Malaysia, HVAC regulation focuses on refrigerant management, energy efficiency, and safety. Key rules include proper handling and recycling of refrigerants, compliances with minimum energy performance standards, which we call MEPS MAPS. Energy labeling and safety standard for installation. The country also enforced the phase out of harmful substances like HCFCs protect the environment.
Okay. So what about the homeowners? What role do they play for this process?
Homeowners have a big role. First, always work with a licensed HVAC technician for maintenance, repairs, or disposal. Ask them directly if they are recovering the refrigerants. Second, schedule regular maintenance for your AC system. This prevents leaks and ensure the refrigerants stay where it belongs, inside your system.
Oh, okay. So that's good advice. Let's talk about the benefit. So what the benefit in it for the homeowners?
A well-maintained system lasts longer, performs better, and costs less to run. Okay. Proper refrigerant handling also protect your family from exposure to harmful chemicals. Plus, you are helping to fight the climate change. It also is a win for your wallet and environment.
Oh, that's cool. Sound like everyone benefits. Are there any newer refrigerant that are safer?
Yes. Newer refrigerants like R32 are designed to be less harmful. They don't damage the ozone layer, but they still need to be handled responsibly because they can contribute to global warming if released.
Oh, I see. What about when someone replaces an old aircon unit?
Okay, if you are upgrading, make sure your old unit is disposed properly. A licensed technician will be recover the refrigerants and either recycle or destroy it safely. Never try to handle refrigerants yourself. It's dangerous and illegal.
Okay, this has been so helpful, Brandon. So, any final tip for the homeowners?
Okay. Just to be remember, protecting the environment starts at home. By recovering and recycling refrigerants, you are taking a small steps with a big impact. And always trust certified professional of your HVAC needs.
Okay, so to wrap things up, understanding the importance of recovering and recycling refrigerants, along with the knowing how your air conditioner operates, is crucial for both energy efficiency and environmental protection. Thanks for sharing for your knowledge, Brandon.
Okay, my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
And thank you for all your tuning in. Let's do our parts to keep our honest school and our planet safe. See you next time, Brandon.
Okay, see you.